My first pillar is simple. Build a habit, not just a perfect plan. So most people rely on motivation, but motivation is emotional. Habits are neurological. My routine is no negotiable. Monday and Wednesday are for English, and Tuesday and Thursday are for French, most of the time at 6 p.m. sharp, without fail for 3 years now. So, I don't ask myself, do I feel like studying today? No, I've freed my mind from that by making the commitment as automatic as my morning coffee. The undisciplined always wins over inconsistent genius. And what about you? Do you have fixed appointment with your growth, or are you just waiting for extra time? Write a comment and let me know.